guys, thanks for watching today. In this video, I'm talking all about our laundry routine, so all of our products that we use, things that I've made, and just kind of how I use them, how they work for us, what kind of water we have, so that kind of matters, and really just everything about how to DIY non-toxic laundry. So if you want to learn more about that, then just keep watching. So one of the very first things, I think this is the first thing that we got rid of in our home, was dryer sheets, because I saw something about how bad they were, and we used the free and clear ones, so I thought they can't be that bad, but I looked it up, and you guys, the ingredients aren't listed on any of these products because they're that bad. It was so bad, it was like appalling. So I threw them away right away, and then the easiest swap was just to get dryer balls, and these are just wool dryer balls, and they last forever, so you don't have to repurchase them once a month or anything like that. I really don't know how long you're supposed to use them, but I think the first set I used for like a year. I don't know if that's too long or not, but they worked for that long, so I'm not sure. So I got these that we're using currently are the Sonoma Wool. They're by Sonoma Wool Company. They have a bunch of different products. We also have a dish drying mat that I use for Frankie's, like food bowls, but it works for that, but it's also a good, you can use it for doing the dishes and drying them. But it is literally just that. You put 4 to 5 of these in a load, like a big load of laundry, a regular like big load, and you can also put drops of essential oil on them if you want to give an extra smell. I usually don't do that. I used to. Now I have a couple of products that kind of replace the need, or like we don't need, I guess, to use scent in our dryer, because I use some products that help with that in the washer. So that was the easiest thing. Literally just threw away the dryer sheets because they are terrible. If you have them in your house right now, just throw them away. And it was hard for me to find the ingredients. I had to go on their website, and it was like this, it was like a hidden page that listed what was in the dryer sheets. So now I'm just gonna go through all of the products that we use, from laundry soap to dryer. So the soap, or the detergent that we use, is the Thieves Laundry Soap. This is not the bottle that it comes in. This is how it comes. This is a 64, or what is this? Yeah. This is a 32-ounce bottle of concentrate. The label I took off and just stuck on this because I dilute it and then just use the glass jar. But this is the jug that it comes in, and it is super, super concentrated. So I dilute it 3 times. So I make 3. This is the same size bottle, so I turned this into 3 of these. This is just one that I had brought up. But it actually says 6 times ultra concentrated, so I think you can dilute it by 6. Is that what that means? I don't know. I do 3. Everyone I know does 3, and it works really well. I have no issues with cleaning or anything. So it's fresh citrus scent. You can add different oils if you want to add some different scents. I don't. Okay, this is the next thing, and this is kind of, it happened by accident. So I bought the Young Living lavender conditioner, shampoo and conditioner, and I did not like the conditioner for my hair. So I googled and looked up like other ways to use it, and you can make fabric softener from it. So honestly, I don't know how much this is diluted. It's very diluted. Like the conditioner is like super thick. So I don't know. It's probably this much conditioner and then diluted by like this much water. So you can also make fabric softener like that, and I honestly think this softens our clothes better than the vinegar, but they both work. I just think this might work a little better, and this is lavender scented, so it makes the clothes smell really good too. And so if you're looking to do this and don't want to necessarily get the Young Living conditioner, you can just use any like non-toxic conditioner and dilute it heavily, and then use that as your fabric softener. I thought that was really cool, and I was super excited that I had a different way to use that, because I didn't just want to waste it, because like I said, it didn't work for my hair. I'm going to try some of the other ones by Young Living. I've heard better things about the Cobaiba shampoo conditioner, but anyways, that's like one of the only products that I haven't liked. So okay, the next thing is bleach, and or if you just have an extra dirty load or something, this works really well. So this is water, peroxide, lemon, and Thieves Household Cleaner. Do I have that? Yeah. So this is the Thieves Household Cleaner. This is just a super concentrate. You just use 1 capful. See how small the cap is? You just use that much for to make like a cleaner, or to add to this. You can also add a cap or 2 to the laundry soap if you're diluting it like this. I don't ever feel like we need to add any extra boost, but you can do that. So anyways, it has 1 cap full of that, peroxide, lemon, and water. And I use this on all of our whites. It does help brighten our whites and keep stains, keep like the yellowing away. Lemon is a super good oil for cleaning. I brought it too just so I could show you. Lemon is just something that we add to almost all cleaning things, from laundry to just cleaning out in the rest of the house. The next thing, this is an exciting one because a lot of people don't like switching to non-toxic or to clean laundry stuff because they really like the smell of their laundry soap and they want their clothes to smell really good. So this is a scent booster. This is kind of like those scent crystals by Purex, or I think that's the brand. It's just Epsom salt, baking soda in equal parts. No, it's not equal parts. It's a 1.5 cups of Epsom salt and then a 1/2 cup of baking soda. I've been doing it half and half. My label says that, so that must have been the original recipe. But anyways, and then you put about 20 drops of the oil that you want. I usually just do lavender. Citrus Fresh is also a really good one for laundry, and Joy essential oil is also really good. So let me show you this too, because I forgot to kind of zoom in and show you guys like the bottles. But this is the bleach. I'll put all of these recipes in the blog post that goes with this video too, so you don't have to like screenshot that or anything. And then I'll put like how I dilute this. I've done a video on my IGTV about diluting this, but it's super easy. I don't know if I made it sound complicated or not, but it is really easy. And I think that is it for that. Okay, so so a regular load of laundry, right? So I do sort, like, I don't sort very much, but I do just take the whites out and do the whites separately. So for a regular load of colors, I do 4 pumps of this in the drum, I can't think of what that's called, or whatever kind of washer you have. So in your regular soap spot, I do that, and then I do fill my fabric softener little cup with this, and then I add 1 scoop. So this is how much I use. I just have a little scooper that came in something, and this is just, it's about maybe a tablespoon. It says 1 ounce actually. So this is how much I put in of the scent booster. And that is it, right? Yeah, so if it's a white load, or if it's something that's super dirty, or like something of Frankie's, so if you have pets or anything, I do 4 to 5 pumps of this, depending on the size of the load. And then my fabric softener, and then I also add this. Because this has the Thieves household cleaner, it's going to give you like an extra boost. It's kind of like I don't know, just like a laundry booster. And then when I throw the stuff in the dryer, like I said, I just use 4 to 5, usually 4 of my dryer balls. And these help like reduce static, and then when they're tumbling around with your clothes, they help separate, and then your stuff does dry faster too. I don't know if I mentioned that before. And again, this is Sonoma wool. These are the Sonoma wool dryer. These are the Sonoma Wool Company dryer balls. 100% natural, no dyes or perfumes. It does reduce drying time. This says up to 30%. I didn't know that. Softens clothes naturally and reduces static. It does that. Source verified wool from local family ranches. Reusable, lasts for years and years. Oh, okay. So yeah, like I said, I used my first thing of dryer balls for a year, so I could have kept going, but I do. These were like softer anyway. Okay, so that is it. It is simple. I hope it sounded that way. And once you make these things, so I don't know, it does take a while. So it took us a few months to kind of switch over. I did one thing at a time. So I did, like I said, the dryer balls first, and then I did the soap, and then I did fabric softener. And so it wasn't just something that happened overnight, and it does take a while. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed if you're like using all Tide and all Downy and all of that. So don't necessarily throw everything away. I would throw away your dryer sheets right now, but I wouldn't just throw everything away and start right now. Do it gradually if you need to or if you want to. But it is so worth it, you guys. Our clothes are just like perfect. They come out clean. It's not like this stuff doesn't work as good. It works as good, if not better, and it's so important. The ingredients in your laundry products are, I guarantee they're just going to be like, when you look them up, there's an app called Think Dirty. Download it. You can either scan or just search for your products on there. Maybe I'll try to insert some screenshots of some of the like most popular ones like Tide and Downy. They are rated just so bad. Like optical brighteners, things like that. Those types of things leave like a film, and they leave residue and they leave toxins behind and on your clothes, and then that's on your skin all day. You wear clothes all day long, 24/7. You're wearing some sort of clothes, I hope. So I always say cleaning and laundry are the two things that you need to swap out first, as far as like going clean living and getting rid of toxins in your home, especially if you have pets and kids. You really need to do your research. It's super important, and it's so fun. I think it's fun to make these, and then just to know like we're using safe products. I don't have to do the girls' laundry separate because we all use the same clean stuff. Oh, I know, the last thing I was going to say is this stuff isn't like more expensive either. It might seem like that. Like this bottle is $29, but like I said, I diluted it, or I made it stretch 3 times as big as this. So I diluted it by 3. And so it comes out to like 19 cents or something per load. So $10 per, whoops. So $10 per bottle. And I think the whole thing, when I tested it out last time, I think the one bottle lasted us about 6 months. Family of 4 and puppy. So it's not more expensive. And then especially the DIY like laundry fabric softener and stuff like that, that is so cheap. The dryer balls, super cheap too, and like I said, they last forever. They last for years. So price is not more expensive. It's so rewarding. We love it. I just wanted to share this with you guys, so let me know if you do any of these things. Let me know if you found any of these tips or products helpful. And if you want to purchase any of the Thieves products, let me know too. There are a couple of ways to go about it, so let me know if you have questions or need help with ordering. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.